Oh my God. It's game over for Bitcoin. Might as well pack it in. Just pack it in.
I'm leaving.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm here joined with Carl from Moon at his Moon base here in Dubai. How you doing, Carl?
I'm doing well. Markets are a little bit shaky, up and down, but all in all, pretty well.
Yes, that's good. It's good. You know how I do. The pipe. 5 by 5.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be doing some chart analysis on Bitcoin and seeing where we're going. And we're going to try to have some good news at the end of the show, right?
Yes.
At least some good news for you guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, for now, it's some bad news, right?
First bad news, then good news, and then a huge surprise at the end of the video.
Exactly. So stay tuned. Watch all the way to the end, right?
Yeah.
Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's get to it. So what do you see in the markets?
Okay, so what I see in the market right now that I told people or my audience is this descending triangle. And I'm not sure if you agree here, Davinci, but in my opinion, it is a pretty clear textbook descending triangle. And we could even see another uptick like this before we potentially break down like this, which you would expect from a descending triangle. And I know that many people are talking also about this head and shoulders. In fact, I've been talking about it a lot. I'm sure you also mentioned this a couple of times. It is a very obvious head and shoulders. So then we have two patterns indicating a small downtrend. I actually put in a small short just a few days ago just to prepare for a bigger breakdown. If we break this level here with some confidence, then I will increase that short. But for right now, it's just a very small short, to be honest. But I still have my Bybit long positions open that I opened up down here.
Nice.
Yeah, they're open still. And I took a lot of profits up here. So I already took out more than I put in.
There you go.
But if we break down below 20K, that's when I'm going to completely close those shorts. Because if you break down below this level, then I think we're going to go back into bear market. Right now, Bitcoin is in a way in a bull market.
You mean you're going to close your longs, not the shorts?
Sorry. Yeah, exactly. So the longs, I will keep holding. Even if we come down here, I will keep holding. I will take a little bit more profits here maybe. Because I think we are in an uptrend here. We have higher highs, higher lows, and only if we break through this level here, only then do we go back into a lower low trajectory. Right now, we're in fact on the daily and weekly, we are in an uptrend. It's a bull market.
Definitely.
For Bitcoin, for altcoins, it's a brutal bear market, but it's not always the same.
Yes, and I did not mention the head and shoulders pattern. I did only mention this M pattern right here, right? So when the market makes this M pattern and it smiles at you, it's about to take your money. So it's smiling at you, right?
Yeah.
And so that's what I was pointing out on my channel. And so I had a short opened up here. I've closed it since we came right back at it. So I've decided to close it short, wait for the action. And I agree. We could end up at this level at the 28K and then come back and break down.
Yeah. So the reason why I think that could happen is because we see this very clear wick. And as both you and me know, such a wick is usually a very strong sign from the bulls, indicating that the support here is huge. And we usually see a reaction to the upside after such a wick.
Yeah, but another thing we know is that wicks and tails like to get eaten. Okay? They eventually get filled. They like to come back.
Yeah.
They eventually come back to fill them in.
Really?
So
wait, this I didn't hear before.
Yes, it's wicks and tails love to get eaten. So they like to refill. So you can see it right here. Highlight that right here. Right, this tail down here got eaten because we came back and filled that tail.
That's an interesting point.
Actually,
time. I have another. If you look exactly what you said, it's also here a huge wick, and then it got eaten. That's interesting. I actually never heard that before. You taught me something today.
Yeah. So most cases, not 100%.
Yeah, of course. Same with the gaps. The gaps they tend to get filled sooner rather than later. But it's never a guarantee, and it's also not bulletproof. It's not always going to be like that.
Yeah. So we have to expect that this wick will get eaten. there will be a filling out of that wick. Wow. So that's why you want to get into looking for shorts. There's this is clearly a bearish situation here.
Yep.
Every which way you look at it. So for example, even if you look at it with this rising trend breaking down, and then but we came back into this trend, and now we've broken that trend, that uptrend here, the lower level of the uptrend. And so there is no positive way to look at this, right? With this head and shoulders, with this M pattern, with everything that you have here, right? You can't say anything positive about this particular.
I agree.
Okay, so what can we say positive about Bitcoin, even though at this point we can't say anything positive? What are the odds that we could actually break above here and could continue higher?
Well, I would say right now it is much likelier we go down like this rather than up.
So it's more of like a 60% chance or 70% chance we go down.
70, I would say. Yeah. At least come down to like the target of the descending triangle. If you look at this, so we put it down like that. The target is 23.3, but I also want to point out a couple of very important support levels. Right here, you can clearly see very big support or like previous resistance, right?
Yes.
So this level is slightly before then. So that 23.6 approximately, that's a great point to take profits on a short. And also if I do this, you can see, I mean, this, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that this is a big resistance. That is 25,000 actually. So at 25K, maybe we only see a small little breakdown like this, and then it shoots straight back up.
That's a possibility.
Just like here.
Yes.
So that's the good news. The good news is we might see this.
Yeah, that's a possibility. Because that's also strong support as well.
Very strong, very strong.
So
then basically we could make a short here, and down here we can increase our long positions, which I would imagine I could maybe do. Actually, I would probably not increase my longs, but I will definitely put a short now and take profits at 25K.
Yeah, you should, yeah.
For sure.
Take profits there.
My longs are already big. Like it's very big long positions. I opened them down here, publicly traded them down here. So very good, very incredible entry actually.
Beautiful entry. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Can't get any better entry unless you're having some other fun.
Oh wow. Yeah, I know a couple of good entries. Shit. Wow.
I had to go there.
Yeah. Now there's an age restriction on this video.
Exactly.
18 years plus.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyways, so when we do come down to these levels, right, and bounce, what's next target? How do we determine the next target for Bitcoin in its height when it's coming back up? Let's just say we bounce at this level, or even before, right? We just skin our teeth right down here. We don't go break this low of the 19,617, approximately, or 19,500. We continue up higher. So how high do you think we're gonna go? What do you think?
Okay, personally, I would look at the next big resistance. So we have, of course, one here, which we already bumped into, which was, very, very big resistance, which is why we are probably going to get a small correction now. But next one, I would probably call the 37.6 approximately. Like, we have some pretty decent amount of resistance up there.
Yeah.
And when we broke this level, we saw a pretty, I would say that's like the next level when we go up. So maybe what we see is like this, we come down and then we slowly go back up. And next time when we break this level, we shoot straight up to 37K.
Excellent. So why don't we do a Fibonacci retracement here? There. So you can see, let's see here, 38.2. Look at that. Look where the 38.2 is.
Look at that.
It's right close to
very close, yeah.
That the resistance level of 37.6. So that's a good indication that we could see a 37.6 level. Now, I want to see if there's any kind of like indication. Let me just 1.618, 40K.
Yeah, but that's another big resistance level.
Yeah,
Actually,
so
very big. If we can put like this, I would put it right there.
Yeah, there you go.
Because look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. We just found something interesting.
Yes.
So maybe that's the level.
Yeah, that could be.
That's a better level. 40,000.
Yeah, 1.618 is. It looks like a target.
So it looks like we're gonna go down a little bit now before we gain the momentum to break up to $40,000. That seems to be our analysis, isn't it?
Yes, and so we can also do additional analysis to determine where this thing could reverse to, based on that information. Look at that. We did AB equals CD. We come close to this bottom. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That could be crazy.
It is. Because this is a reversal pattern, actually. So if prices come up to here and it will reverse down because this AB equals CD is a reversal. So if we line up a reversal pattern here, then you could. This is projection and guessing.
So what exactly did you do here? So
it's an AB equals CD. So I'm guessing based on lining up with the same levels that we've decided that it's going to go. That's where we could project, just lining up exactly with where we think it's going to go. So if price doesn't. Long as price stays above. Right, the 19.5, right?
Okay, so we could go down to 20K and then go up here.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's possible. It's going to take a little bit of time, so I would maybe put this out a little bit like this, maybe. Because, of course, breaking down usually takes a little bit of time, maybe like this, and then go up like that.
Exactly. But it's not in a straight line.
Definitely not, yeah. Okay, so those are two scenarios then. Either we go like this, or we go like this. But regardless which one, it seems like both you and me agree we're going to go down a little bit before we go up.
So we're heading to 40K. So that's a positive news, right?
That's a good news, yeah. $40,000. By what date? People love dates.
Yes, I think by November, I think we could see 40K.
So according to this line now, it says before the end of the year.
Yeah.
December.
I wouldn't say December. I would say more of October, November, because then around December, people start taking profits in order to do tax loss selling and so forth. So you can expect Bitcoin to start reversing. Yeah, that's the way it is.
That's the way it is.
So, all right. So that's our analysis for today. We're going to be talking about, we went to, where did we go last week? I forgot.
We went to
Turkey.
Bodrum, Turkey. Yeah. Guys, this video is so funny. So me and Davinci, we made a very funny vlog where we were running around in Turkey, making fun, and also providing a lot of value. So this whole segment here was basically us talking about crypto, how not to lose money in crypto. Me talking about, like how our mistakes can teach other people, you know?
Exactly. And you must check out the video I did on Carl's channel today. We just recorded it.
Yeah.
We provide excellent value there. We show you how to navigate KYC and AML. It's a very important video. I think you should definitely see it. Make sure you head over to Carl's channel, watch it, because the information there is too valuable to miss. Too valuable to miss. So make sure you watch that as well.
Definitely. Okay, guys. So if you want to find this video, just search for Luxury Trip with Davinci Day 15. Maybe we can leave a link down below.
Exactly.
The video that we made, just go to my other channel.
We haven't given it a title yet, but...
Yeah, true. I have two channels, The Moon and Carl Runefeld. People get confused sometimes. But this vlog is on the other channel.
Yeah. So there we go. All right. Well, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Bye-bye.